What's up guys, Lucas Morley here with SurfTrainingFactory.com, and today we're going to be going over a pre-surfing warm-up. Let's go.
Alright, so here Lucas is actually warming up his wrists so that he can hold the surfboard and duck dive without a problem without getting hurt. Make sure you do that on both sides for at least 10 seconds each. Now arm circles, they're very important so then they can warm up your shoulders. You're going to do inward and outward. Make sure that you do both. Here Lucas is mimicking the paddling motion so that your shoulders are all warm and you can paddle without a problem. Make sure that you add a little rotation to your stretches before paddling out because you want your body to be moving a certain way for surfing. So warming up the core stretches and rotation is very important. Now don't forget to stretch out your hip and your legs so that you can have mobility and be comfortable when standing on the surfboard. Stretch out those neck muscles so that whenever you are standing on the surfboard and you decide to go for a turn or go down the beach, your head is ready to go. Wherever your head goes, your body goes. Remember that.